20 साला ब्रोनो मुनफरिद यूरोपियन ट्रैवलर जो लोगों से लिफ्ट लेकर 13 ममालिक से होता हुआ पाकिस्तान पहुंच गया।
I have traveled to get to here 13 countries. I stand on the side of the road, try to stop a car and ask if the driver can drive me forward for free. I either sleep in my tent.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं उस्मान बट आप देख रहे हैं उर्दू पॉइंट। हमारे साथ एक ऐसे यूरोपियन शहरी मौजूद है जिनका ताल्लुक लैथविया से है और इनका नाम ब्रूनो है। और लैथविया एक ऐसा कंट्री है जिसका नेबर कंट्री आता है स्वीडन, रशियन बॉर्डर लगता है और उसके अलावा बेलारूस का बॉर्डर भी लगता है। और 9 महीनों में ये 13 ममालिक का सफ़र तय करते करते पाकिस्तान पहुँचे हैं और इन्होंने बाय रोड सफ़र किया है। तो इनकी उम्र जो है 20 साल है। 20 साल की उम्र में इन्होंने 9 महीने लगा दिए हैं इन 13 ममालिक का सफ़र करते हैं। आगे भी ये जा रहे हैं, आगे इंडिया जाएंगे लेकिन पाकिस्तान से होके जाएंगे। तो इनसे हम जानते हैं कि ये सफ़र पे क्यों निकले हैं और पाकिस्तान कैसे पहुँचे। हेलो सर, प्लीज़ टेल मी योर फुल नेम एंड वेयर यू बिलोंग्स, टेल आवर ऑडियंस।
Hello, my name is Bruno Bulders and I come from a country called Latvia.
Tell me when you started to travel, the 13 country where you traveled and arrived in Pakistan, when you planned and when you started your travel.
So I had planned to start this journey about 2 years ago, and now I have been traveling for 9 months already, and in Pakistan I have been for a month.
Is there any purpose that you decided to travel all these countries, and what was the purpose?
Well, I knew I wanted to travel from Europe east because I am quite fascinated with the Eastern cultures, so I wanted to visit all the countries on the way to here.
Okay. Have you remembered that day when you started your travel and how you get the permission from your parents or your family?
Yes, I clearly remember this day. It was the 6th of July last year, and my parents thankfully were very supportive of me, and they were happy that I was going to do this travel, experience the world and learn a lot about the world and myself.
Okay. You are 20 years old, and what you do in the Latvia?
So I don't have a specific job right now. I will finish my journey in about 1 month, return home, and then I will start my university studies.
Okay, tell me the experience you have faced during this trip and how you traveled step by step when you traveled from Latvia, started your travel from Latvia, then what country comes in the way and how many countries, can you please speak the name?
Yes, so I have traveled to get to here 13 countries. I will quickly give the list. Lithuania, Poland, Slovakia, Hungary, Romania, Moldova, Bulgaria, Turkey, Cyprus, Georgia, Armenia, Iran, and now I am here in Pakistan. My mode of transportation is auto stop, which means I stand on the side of the road, try to stop a car and ask if the driver can drive me forward for free, so I don't have to pay for transportation. And yes, the experience has been amazing. Really, I've met so many amazing people, learned about a lot about all of the countries I have visited, so it has been an amazing experience.
Okay. You got the complimentary travel from the travelers when you travel these countries. So tell me the expense of your food, expense of your living, how much you have to spend?
Well, it really depends on the country and on the time and how I'm feeling, but like I said, transportation is for free. Sleeping is also for free because I either sleep in my tent or I try to find local people that I can stay with for free. Hospitality. And so my only expense is usually food, and it really depends on the countries, and I try to keep my food usage to a minimum, but yeah, I would say my daily budget is around maybe 10 euros.
10 euros per day.
Something like that.
So total budget, how much it is done right now? How many euros you have to spend?
Up until now,
Yeah, total how?
I would say now I have spent around 4,000 euros in 9 months
Till now.
till now.
Tell me the experience of different countries.
Experience with the people is different in each of the countries. I can say that once you start moving more east from Europe, the people become a lot more open, warm, welcoming, and the hospitality increases I really felt this first from Romania and Turkey, and then especially Iran, and I would say in Pakistan, really, it's the most hospitality I have had from all of the countries so far.
How many cities you have to visit in Pakistan?
There was a bit of a hiccup. I was stuck at the border for 2 weeks, but after that, everything went pretty smoothly, and I fully explored Islamabad, Rawalpindi, some smaller villages like Dohdani, went to Chakwal, and now I'm exploring here Lahore.
Which foods you are eating in Pakistan?
Yes, well, you're right. At first, when I came here, my body needed to get used to the foods because it is a bit different from where I come from. Also, the spiciness levels here are quite higher, but it's not too bad, and I've really enjoyed almost all of the foods I've had. I don't remember, unfortunately, specifically the names, but all kinds of biryani is nice, samosa is nice, yeah, all kinds of rices, meats, and yeah, I think all of the foods in Pakistan here are very delicious.
You are wearing Pakistani traditional shalwar kameez.
Yes, well, when I came to Pakistan, it was one of my ideas. Maybe it would be nice to buy the traditional dance clothes to blend in better and be more comfortable. So when I was in Rawalpindi, I did that, and I don't regret it. They are very, very extremely comfortable, and I have thought to myself, when I come back to my country, I should keep wearing them for comfort and introduce my country's people to the clothes of Pakistan.
Tell me, when you visited the other 12 countries except Pakistan, you have bought these countries' traditional dress?
No, this is my first time because up until now, this was the really first time when the dress and clothing stood out to me, and I was really interested to buy them. So this is my first experience doing this.
Before coming to Pakistan, what you have to listen about the Pakistani people?
Well, I have to be honest, my knowledge about Pakistan before entering here wasn't very big. It was quite limited because my traveling, I really like to go into a country blind without knowing much and then exploring it myself. Unfortunately, I had heard some like cautions and dangerous tales from other people in the West, from my country. But coming here and meeting the people, I have been really calmed down, and it has been a very, very nice and calm experience.
How can you differentiate the weather climate of the Pakistan and Latvia where you belong to?
Yeah, well, I can already say that it's a lot more hot. Even now, like for me, this weather is very hot. In my country, it's still pretty cold, maybe it's just 0 degrees or a bit warmer. So my country is definitely a lot cooler than here.
Okay, what you are learning from this travel trip?
Oh, I think it's too much to say. I've learned a lot about myself, about the world, the different countries and cultures. Yeah, it's gonna be very interesting to come back home and think about all of the things I have really learned, and not only use it for my life, but also to educate other people about these countries and the cultures such as Pakistan.